Most beginners eyeing their first race don't realize that novice criteriums have the highest crash rate in the sport. Crits are fast, closed-circuit races like Tulsa Tough, lasting 30 to 90 minutes. You're hitting 30 miles per hour through tight city corners. It's pure, spectator-friendly adrenaline. But here is the reality nobody tells beginners. The reason so many novice races end in severe crashes isn't the speed. It's the lack of pack experience. Panic braking, unpredictable lines, and overlapping wheels cause almost all beginner pileups. We saw early 2026 season crashes take out dozens in the pro peloton when amateurs mimic those aggressive tactics without years of spatial awareness. The tarmac is incredibly unforgiving. If you decide to race, you'll enter the USA cycling system. Everyone starts as a novice, formerly Category 5. You must safely complete a mandatory number of mass start races to build pack awareness before upgrading to Category 4. To enter your first event, you need a license. For the 2026 calendar, a USA Cycling annual race membership costs $110. If you are just testing the waters, buy a $15 one-day license instead. Before pinning on a number, you need serious preparation. Never let a Criterium be your first fast group ride. Join a local club and spend months riding in tight formations. You must build specific reflexes before racing. Learn to corner confidently at high speeds without touching your brakes. Practice holding your line while bumping shoulders. If you cannot do this comfortably, you aren't ready. When you finally race, leave your $10,000 carbon superbike at home. High-end aluminum frames are the crit racer's best friend, because crashes are a matter of when, not if. If criteriums sound too risky, there are safer ways to scratch that competitive itch. Zwift Racing offers identical physiological demands with zero road rash. Local time trials or training crits are also much more forgiving environments. Criteriums are an incredible rush, but they require immense respect. Build your pack skills first, protect your collarbones, stay safe and race smart. Respect the pack and ride safe.